Log, log, log an operation. The same smarty A, I remember once he asked us, what is the limit of log log n when n goes to infinity? So we are freshmen, but we are not dummies. We said, infinity. He said, you're wrong. The answer is 50. He said, 50? How do you get 50? He said, there's no number in the universe where you take log log and you get anything which is bigger than 50. Okay? Right? Because 2 to the 2 to the 50 is such a large number, it covers everything in the universe practically. And so if I have an algorithm which is n to the log 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 n, it's not polynomial, but it may be an absolutely great algorithm in practice. That means that neither a positive nor negative answer would necessarily have a practical significance. So when I was a graduate student and somebody said about a problem, you know, this is NP complete. You say, oh, this is like, you know, you have a dog that can bite you. You kind of keep your distance, right? It's NP complete. You know, you better be careful. You know, even if you look at it, it may hurt you somehow. And indeed, the important thing to understand is SAT is a difficult problem. We know how to generate SAT instances with hundreds of variables that no solver can solve. But on the other hand, we solve practical problem with millions of variables. And we don't really have a good theory that tells us when is SAT easy and when is SAT hard. So there is a beautiful research question here on one hand. And the question is, what makes some instances easy? What makes some instances hard? This has become really a research area. But on the other hand, now that SAT is easy in practice, how do we leverage it in other areas? So one idea I want to get out of it is, oh, we can solve many SAT problems. In practice, we can solve them. And again, think of SAT as some kind of assembly level language. Try to find applications for it. And maybe we should think of PPP. BPP means random polynomial time, with the SAT oracle as our new P time in practice. I'll stop here. Thank you very much.